Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a hair review. Alright, so this is iShow hair. It comes in this little baggie. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this because I've seen like other people, get their packages and it came in like a nice fancy box. I just feel like they need to be consistent. But I mean, hey, whatever. So, okay, so I got a 20-inch frontal, a 24-inch deep wave bundle, a 28-inch, and a 26. So 20-inch frontal, 24-inch bundle, 26, 28, and all this is 28. Alright, so I don't know what to say about this. I haven't opened it at all. This is like literally my first time opening this. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if there's a stench and I haven't even like opened the hair. You feel me? I don't know, maybe the hair smells different. I don't know, maybe because it's been traveling. I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna open the frontal first. Okay, so okay, damn. Alright, whatever, you can always wash the hair, it's alright. If it smells, you can always wash it, So this is a 13x4 closure. I've never done like a deep wave. With bundles, I've always had like a deep wave wig. But this is gonna be my first time making a deep wave wig myself. Okay, so this is how it looks. Excuse my nails. Don't come for me. Okay. I mean, it's straight, you feel me? It's just like a regular, regular, you feel me? Regular frontal. This is really dark, I don't know. Like, this looks like black. I've never had like black hair before. I mean, but hey, we're gonna make this work. You feel me? Okay. Okay, the hair is really soft, really bouncy. I can't wait to comb this junk out because I just can't wait to comb it out. Excuse me. Well, not comb it out, but paddle brush it out. Okay, so I ordered it on a Friday and I got it on I think Wednesday. So to me, that's not bad. I mean, at first I was like, hold on, where is my stuff? I didn't get a shipping late, like I didn't get a, what you call those things? I don't know. They didn't like send me an email stating that it was shipped or when it was gonna arrive. I didn't know how it was coming. I do not like that at all. I don't know. I don't like that at all. I really don't like that. Okay. This feels really good though. Y'all might make up for that. This feels really good. This is the 24-inch bundle. I don't know. There's already a little bit of shedding. but that's alright. My ashy as fuck. Anyway, it's already a little bit of shedding. The ends, they a little bit shabby, but that's alright. You know. Oh, also, if you guys haven't heard already, I've seen this, I saw this hair on Facebook. Well, I actually saw it on Facebook and I saw it on Instagram, so I was like, okay, I feel like God is trying to tell me something. Let me just start my YouTube channel off with this hair. And I haven't seen like any reviews on this hair, so I figured, you know, hey, why not? Okay. And this hair looks a little lighter, like the bundles. Just kidding, they look the same. Okay, no, like here, like in my face, I don't know if you guys can see it. Like here it looks a little black. Like this hair, it looks kind of brownish, but this looks, I don't know if y'all can see it, but to me it looks like it's black in camera, but up close and personal, it's brown, like the natural brown. And this actually doesn't smell like that, it just smells like it came from like a factory or something. But this, like the packaging,
what?
Yeah, so I'm just looking at it, and the frontal and the bundles, like the frontal definitely looks darker than the bundles. But like I said, it's alright. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it work, and it's gonna come out good. Manifestations up, you guys. Alright, so what is this thing? Alright, so I'm just going to, you know, make the wig, and I'll come back probably, I'm gonna do 2 weeks. So 2 weeks after I make the wig and everything, I'll be back, and I'm gonna tell y'all how it's been holding up. I'm gonna try to keep this in for a month. I don't usually wear wigs for a month at a time unless like I'm struggling. Usually wear my natural hair out with like the little bun buns and, you know, the little swoop, you know, and swoop with the little poof in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna try to stick it out for a month, and probably while I'm wearing this hair, I'll be reviewing another hair before I put it in. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm definitely gonna come back with a bomb ass video about this hair. Hopefully they don't let me down. This is my first time ordering hair from like a Facebook ad or Instagram ad, so iShow hair. Let's get it. Bye.